Welcome back onto headlines across the nation. A judge in Texas mandates attorneys for Southwest Airlines to take part in religious liberty training. For more on this, I want to bring in One America's Jessamine Dodd, who joins us live in studio with the latest. Hi there, Jess. Good to have you. So this ruling targets the attorneys, which to me seems a bit unusual, and even more so, these lawyers weren't even directly involved in this specific case. So what can you tell us about the judge's decision?
That's right, Rachel. A U.S. judge has ordered Southwest Airlines attorneys to undergo religious liberty training. Now, on Monday, the judge, a Texas judge, Brantley Starr, he's a member of the Federalist Society, and he was appointed by Donald Trump. He ordered the attorneys to complete this training, and he imposed additional sanctions. Now, the attorneys must undergo 8 hours of this religious liberty training to be conducted by the Alliance Defending Freedom, which is described as a nonprofit dedicated to free speech and religious freedom. Alliance Defending Freedom has been designated by the Southern Poverty Law Center as a hate group. And just an interesting side note, Josh Hawley's wife, Erin, is a lawyer for ADF. However, Alliance Defending Freedom is not involved in this case, so it's unclear why the judge recommended this for them for training. This all stems from a previous case in which the plaintiff, Charlene Carter, she's a Southwest flight attendant, well, she was fired reportedly over her pro-life and Christian beliefs. Now, she had criticized her union's participation in the Women's March back in 2017. Planned Parenthood was a sponsor. Southwest, however, claimed that Carter was fired for bullying and harassment. She allegedly sent photos of aborted fetuses to coworkers and posted insults about their union online, things I can't say on air or I'll get in trouble. But in the end, she was ultimately awarded $5.1 million in damages.
So just given all that, this case mentions religious liberty. Can you explain that in regards to this specific scenario?
Sure. Religious liberty, it's a principle that supports the freedom to express, to practice, to observe the religion of your choice. Religious liberty, it protects everyone from the government telling you how you can worship. It's often referred to as the first freedom, and in this case, it would relate to the employee expressing her pro-life beliefs.
One America's Jessamine Dodd live in studio with the latest on the Southwest Airlines case. Jess, it'll be interesting to see if this sets a precedent for other cases. Thank you so much for that live report.